how to add your trips on Kayak Trips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started on adding trips on Kayak Trips. First things first, open up your Google Chrome or any browser, head over to kayak.com, then scroll down and uh, you can see for travel pros, and there you can see trips. Just tap on it, and here you can create trips. You can add your upcoming trips. So you can tap on create trip, and then you can put in your destination, trip name, start date, end date, and then you can invite people by sharing links or emails, and then you can see sync it options. So you can sync your inbox or forward existing reservations to trips at kayak.com to start building your trip stats, and all of your upcoming trips will be shown here. You can even explore destinations by tapping here. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.